some leftover flat bar. I keep those little pieces, and they fit perfectly in here. So what I gotta do is cut it out or mark it off, X the thing, punch a hole in the middle of my punch, and then cut it off. And then after I'm done, I will put this on the bench. What I'm gonna do is put that like that, mark it off, screw that, put that on, punch the hole and put that there, and tack weld it, and then take this little thing right here, the little tab there. After I tack weld it, I'm gonna try to just give it a spot weld, and then what I'll do is I'll take the level and I'll level it like this way. So that way I know that this side and this side are equally level, and I'll have it. Mind you, I don't think I'll ever get screwed that far out, but I only want it like this far. I only want it like that far, but you know what? Hey, it's better than having this scratch the floor. My other idea, which I kind of like, but is, I might take me a million years to figure out how to do it. I would like to take a block of wood, preferably a square block of oak, chisel it down and plug it in here and cut it down to about maybe about a ½ inch on each side, and then round the edges out. So this way it avoids this. Put on the floor, around, sand it down, and it's just a lot less work. So I haven't decided yet. I'm thinking this is like this would be great on a freaking, I don't know what kind of floor. I have oak flooring, so I'm like metal on oak, and then the little pads never stay on here, so I'm like wondering maybe I should get, or I have a piece of Delrin somewhere on here, big roll that I could possibly put in there, but I have a pile of oak. But I'm not a, what do you call it? I'm not a surgeon when it comes to oak, so, and lining all these perfectly up might be a problem. And if part of the edge, because I gotta like notch it out, if I don't get it perfect, part of it might just get slammed right in there. So maybe I will cut a tab out and just jack it in there and with a magnet hold it, and just so it doesn't go in there. If anybody has any other options, let me know. I mean, I know like Delrin would probably be great, but then I still have to chisel that out too. So I don't know. I gotta think about this. Anyway, stay tuned. The kitchen bench surfboard is getting close to being done. If I can find a button, I'll stop the video. Where is it? Here you go.